Hi all. Today we are going to see how we can organize our reports which has been published in Power BI service under a workspace. So in an organization we will be creating a workspace under which we will be publishing multiple reports. So it will be more clumsy, right? So we need to organize it in a proper way so that the user will not be getting confused. So to do that, what we can do is Power BI have introduced a new feature called a new folder. If you can see here in the service, under the workspace, we will be publishing the multiple reports, right? Inside the workspace, if you can see, there is a folder called new folder. So if you click on this, we can create a folder as we will be doing it in our desktop, right? We can create a folder here. So we can create it as a test and we can create it. So there will be a folder here. So whatever the reports or semantic model which we need to move here, we can move it by clicking on the respective reports and semantic model. And if you can see here, there will be an option enabled called move. So click on this. We can see the test folder available, whichever we have created here, right? It will be displayed here. We can click on this and we can move here. So this is one of the optimized way where we can organize our workspace in a proper way. And then what we can do is, like, if you want to, so we are coming to the service and we are creating this folder. Suppose if you want to publish this directly to that folder, so in that case what we can do is we need to enable few features in the desktop level. Go to file menu bar, click on option and setting, click on option here and click on this preview feature. Enable this publish this option, you need to enable it. So once it is done, click on OK. So after that, when you are publishing it, there will be a different dialog box. Before it will be in a different way. Now it will be in a there will be a different dialog box where it will be displaying your workspace and with the folder name which you have created already in the service, right? That one it will display. So just you need to click on this folder and click on select here. Automatically, whatever you are publishing it, right? It will be displaying it in your workspace now in the and inside the folder. Suppose if you want to create a subfolder, again you can click on this new folder and you can uh, create it in a different name. There is some limitation while creating this subfolders. The while creating a subfolder or when you are creating a new folder, the name should not be repetitive, or it should be a unique name, and 255 character limits it should be there. So what I'm doing is I'm creating it as a test under one. So I'll create it. Under the test, there will be a test one folder. There you can move whatever the reports you want to move it, right? You can click on this move under test one. You can move that uh, sales dashboard report. So this is how you can organize the report whichever you required. So it will be easy for client to view the report. Thank you all.